and Alexander in the chase. Let's see them go. A lot at stake here. A lot at stake. Going up to that. He got contact again, but he pushes through. Still pulling those zones in the lead there.
That is definitely Alexander's fault. I would say Vallaplast.
I'm not going to look at it again, but I believe so.
You're just scared. Let's see what happens when they change the positions. Alexander Svensson in the lead and Alfred Grimberg. Alfred Grimberg before this heat actually. Only 3 points behind Johan Andersson.
Alright, they're going through those outer zones there. Coming out to outer 4 really nicely there. That proximity is amazing.
This is the best chase we've seen so far.
I think so. He's there. He is there. And that lead is pretty solid too.
Oh, it's super close in the last transition.
I want to see that.
One of the contenders for the total win here tonight. And then Jonas Franzén in the chase.
And they got the green light. Forward. Nice initiation there. Franzén keeping that proximity, and Grimberg coming through to outer 4. Beautifully. A little hiccup there on the chase. Comes in on the inner flip. Oh, that smoke, and just beautiful. Oh, what was it?
I don't know how fun it would be to watch in the end when all the cars will be outside the track.
Yeah.
Okay, so the lights are lit. Let's go. Green lights. And there is Jonas Franzén in the lead now for Grimberg in the chase. Let's go.
Let's get it. Initiates real early, but keeping that momentum up there. Nice. Getting through outer 4 here. Really nice. And angles up a lot. But both of them keep it together. Oh my god, Alfred is fast.
Oh, yeah.
He just moved him. I think he just moved him a little bit.
Plus points in...
Pad. This is the great 8 pad. Thumbs up from Linus. He turns on that light. And it is green. Grimberg in the lead, and he'll start in the chase coming up the hill here. See the underglow on that car just lighting up. Initiates beautifully there, coming through up to outer 2, outer 3.
Shallow from Grimberg.
A little
Looks
shallow
like
there.
hard angle though. Oh, the hell gives any problems.
Yeah. Oh, deep in outer 5.
It's really nice in outer 5.
Yeah, y'all are the best. You guys rock. All right, the driver's giving the thumbs up. The light is red and green. They go. Old Helge in the lead and Alfred Grimberg in the chase. Coming up to our initiation point. I love how Old Helge is just flooring it through. Oh my god.
That is doing a transition late, not to hit Old Helge as well. Oh, he's going way faster, huh?
He is so fast. He has to angle out completely to not hit.
That's so good. That was a good battle. And Alfred Grimberg in the lead. Ooh. And Johan Andersson in the chase.
Off they go. Alfred in the lead. Johan in the chase. This is the battle of the year for these two guys. They initiate coming out to outer. Ooh, little hiccupy there, but figures it out. Coming out to outer 4 as well. Keeping that angle, keeping that commitment. Johan is right there with him. Will's right there with him.
Andersson is going wide on that inner clip, but maybe I was seeing it wrong.
It might have.
To chase because he's so fast.
Alfred is very fast too, though.
That's true.
And he, yeah. Let's see, they got the green light here. Off the start line they go. See that wave. See that yellow danger in the rear view mirror. They initiate coming out to, kind of misses outer 2.
Not too good for any of them actually, because anybody's following. Johan is having problems.
Yeah, there it is.
His lead, and that is not and it's fast.
We're getting the thumbs up. The final.
And there are the lights. This is the final, the last round of Scandinavian Drift Series presented by McGuire's. Let's go.
Alfred leading in over here. initiates in through that first outer zone, comes out to outer 3 and outer 3. Gets out there to 4. You little shallow there. Come on, get on his door, dude. Get on his door. You can do it. You know it. Oh, there he is. There he's on his door.
That's beautiful.
That is a beautiful lead run.
Love.
Oh, we got our thumbs up. We got our thumbs up there. Lights are on. And it's green. Here we go.
Let's see what happens towards the initiation now.
The game is a little bit slower, I feel like, in general. I feel like, oh, really nice initiation there. Get out to 3. Get out to 4. Here we go.
Needs the angle now. Alfred is right there. Alfred is doing such a good chase right now. They hit 5 and 6 and they're in